This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP, Steurenberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is a bit unusual video. We are now in the living room in the new house and it's a bit messy here, so I don't want to show too much, but I want to show you guys something. You see, here we have the thumbnail of the ET5 Touring range test, right? But did you know that the original image looked like this? So I did quite radical changes. First, I was going to use this one. I was like, wait, there's some stuff poking out. There's a sign poking up there, and I started editing it, and then I ended up with this. So I can show you this is pretty cool stuff in Photoshop. And you probably heard about this in Photoshop, generative fill. So in the beginning, you had to be some beta tester and install some extra add-ons, but when I updated it recently, I just got the whole feature automatically. And you see, I started with this one. I wanted to remove the sign, so I removed this one, and then I was like, can I do something with the sky? It looks a bit boring. And then I added this sky, and then the surface here is a bit maybe disturbing that it has some pattern here, so I just want more even surface. And you can see you can also choose between different variants. Wait, I'm not sure why it's not showing up now. Strange. Okay. Oh no, I have to click on this one. I forgot. I changed some other variants now. Okay. Let's see. I was like, this looks weird. This also looks weird, but I'll use this one. How the heck did the car get there? It must have been parked there overnight or some shit then. And then also I remove the trees, and that was quite interesting modification, just to make it as clean as possible, not disturbing, but I still kept the car like this. So I also wanted to go more deeper. I was like, the car is a bit dirty, can we clean it? So I tried something like this, and I said, clean car, right? What's gonna happen then? Well, will it actually figure out that it needs to clean up the car and make it look spotless? Well, we'll see. It seems like this is some kind of online query, so there's the whole processing is not done in computer, it's done somewhere else. So no matter how fast or slow, I was like, what the heck? What happened to my car? Dude, where's my car? So how did they figure out that he wants to put this? What the heck is that? Okay, so this one, scratch it. Yeah. But I mean, what do you guys think, huh? From this to the original one, I mean, is this cheating? Because I could, of course, find a place that looks more like this, right? But then it's all about the time it takes to get there. And also wait for the right time of the day. Let's see if I remove, okay, no. What does it look? It looks a bit weird now because you have different masks now. But by the end of the day, the car is unchanged, and the content is unchanged. It's just that the thumbnail. Okay, but it's not like I here man face palm. You know, I didn't create something that was not true. I just changed the background a little bit to make the thumbnail look nicer, not so messy, right? I didn't add stuff to the image. Let me see what happens now. Yeah, well, what the heck is that? Huh? Face palm. Yeah, there's something like this. You know, if I made something like this and then just say, you know. Terrible car, you know, then that would be bad, right? That would be lying, right? But I didn't do that, so it was just we just didn't. Where is the man again? The face palm dude. Seems like he's a bit cold, but it's freaking awesome how they can make the lighting and everything it looks natural. It looks like he's actually standing on the snow. What's the last guy doing? Okay, I don't know why all of these guys are bending, huh? Okay. So, I mean, what do you guys think? This kind of modification, does it, is it cheating or not? I started recently experimenting with this, but it's quite fun to play around with it. I can show you something else here. Let me see. Yeah, here we have the Honda E:9i1 headlight test. Not many people look at it, but here I just did a quick edit. I actually took the frame from another place. You know, these were actually the mooses we found. It's there. But would it, what if we did something like this? Maybe here, and then say moose. That should look a lot better, right? But then it's fake, because if I didn't see moose on that test, then it would be cheating to add moose to the thumbnail, right? Oh, that's a big, but look, it even gets the lighting correct. Well, kind of. Yeah, that is some, like, we didn't see this kind of moose, you know. The moose we saw was, what was that again? Yeah, that's, you know, that's the kind of moose we saw. It was actually a moose cow with some children. Yeah, yeah, what they call it. But okay, let's see. No, wait, this one. But wow, that is impressive. It's freaking impressive how they can make this shit, man. AI is about to ruin the planet. No, I'm just kidding. But I can also show you some other cool stuff. Let's say here, roughly here, you select this one, and then you say Aurora. This could make the thumbnail more interesting, more catchy. You're drawn towards it, but then how true is it, right? Let me see. I want to see what happens now. Yeah, look at this. Wow, this looks awesome. One thing I don't like is that this one is always in the way. I want to see the whole image with. Look at this. It must be KP4 at least. Wow. So if I made this the thumbnail, people are like, wow, let's take a look, and then they watch through the whole video and there is no thumbnail. I mean, sorry, there was no Aurora. That's cheating in my opinion, because my idea with a thumbnail is that it should be a frame from the actual video, even though it's not entirely true, because you never see the car in that video, but it's close enough. They're very close to that one. So, but I wouldn't just let's say do, you know, this maybe lady in bikini, you know, shit like this, just to get issue with prompt, please view a guideline. Okay, okay, that's not allowed. All right, so see, okay, wait. Man in a swimsuit. Okay, for some reason, if you want to put the lady in there, no, that's not allowed. Oh, it's not. Okay, all right, okay. Well, okay, how about this? Man in shorts. That should be allowed, right? As long as it's a man and he's wearing shorts, then no problem. We're not discriminating anyone here. So yeah, already there you see that I have some limitations. I can't just spice up my thumbnail. Yeah, you see there, like, what the heck is that guy doing? Yeah, it's okay. Anyway, we should just stop here. But what do you guys think, huh? This kind of modification with the help of AI, because this is quite time saving. I'm not a Photoshop guru, you know. What's his name again? The guy who you know, there's a dude online. Okay. People send him requests to Photoshop stuff, and he always makes some kind of fun variant. Remove the guy in the background or some shit. And then he you know, yeah, I don't remember his name, but I'm not that skilled. But with AI, you can just do so much with a few clicks. So yeah, it's just a fun angle about this. This is the way I make my thumbnails. I want to make them as fast as possible without too much stuff. But if I can just remove a power line or a sign or something, or yeah, without modifying the story too much, then why not? What do you guys think, huh? Anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.